Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a custom glitter shoe that doesn't shed, so let's get to it. So as you can see, there's still leftover glue from the previous custom. I got as much as I can off of it. You know, most of the toe box is off. You know, this is as much as I could get off that side and that side. But the plan is to just paint over with a black paint, because when I put the glitter on, it's going to cover it and there's not going to be any texture because the glitter already has texture, if that makes sense. And then from there we'll start layering it up and it should just cover it and it'll be fine. So the materials that I'll be using for this is this glue right here. E6000 Mod Podge. Black and white glitter. I think I'm just going to do black for this custom. And lastly, black Angelus paint. It's all painted black now. It's all nice and clean. So what I'm gonna do now is get the black glitter. I'm gonna get neutral, if you could see that, and I'm gonna mix them together in just a little mixing thing, and then I'm gonna paint over the black again, so then we could get the first layer of glitter. A super easy way to make a little mixing bowl is get an old water bottle and just cut right into it. And there you go. And dump out the excess water right there. And you got a super cheap, easy mixing bowl. If you're worried about the water, like the moisture in this, just get a towel, wipe it down, and now it's dry. So I'm gonna pour some neutral into here. You don't need to do any measurements, just make sure there's more glitter than neutral. With all this stuff, just try to stay as clean as possible, because it could get messy real fast, especially with all this glitter. If you could see that. So just mix that around now. Turn it out even better, but I might need to put even more glitter. So see how it's a little darker as we get focus in. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit more, and after that it should be good. So this is what it looks like so far, just to give a little quick look at it. I still gotta do the inside, but so far it's the toe and the outside, so let's get to the inside. First layer glitter on. So what I'm gonna do is tape off the surrounding areas, and then from there I'm gonna apply glue to pour glitter on, but first I gotta tape it off, so I'll do that now. So now what I'm gonna do is get the leftover neutral. It's still paintable, and what I'm gonna do is add more glitter to it, and then apply a second coat of the neutral. So there'll be the paint coat, then the neutral and glitter, and then the glue and glitter, and now the fourth coat's gonna be the neutral and glitter. So this is what it looks like. Super happy. It came out super clean. And in person it kind of has like a blue tint sometimes, but for the most part it's black. It's just a super clean look, black and white. I really like it. You know, not too hard. Materials are very cheap and easy, and for the most part I kept my area clean. I used just this cardboard piece and pretty much did the whole shoe on top of there, as you saw in the video, and then once I was done I would just, you know, funnel the glitter back into it. So I saved, you know, materials, and it wasn't messy. There's nothing everywhere. I don't even have glitter on my shirt or my pants. The nice thing is that, like, this glitter is not coming off, you know, like it's not coming off, so that's just super nice. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out all my other videos, and comment down what shoe I should do next. Thank you.